A neutral, modern boho farmhouse decor is an all-time favorite, goes with all seasons and looks super elegant. Hi, I'm Mom and welcome to Creative DIY with Mom Das. Today I'm going to share my experience on how to decorate a tier tray in neutral colors using natural color theme and make it little modern boho farmhouse look in beautiful, soft, tranquilizing colors. To begin with, I'm making a sign. Now, this sign is in wood color, white and greens. These are the color scheme that I'm going for. It's must to have the wooden element in neutral colors or natural theme, going with the modern theme. It looks beautiful. Now, if you're not confident enough with painting, just print out any kind of botanical that you wish from the internet. They're so easily available and use it in your picture frame. Or you can even use stickers or even stencils. Now, my freehand painting today is not so beautiful or not so perfect, but it is unique. That's what I like about handmade items. They are unique. No one in this whole world will have something just like this. And that's what makes it special. My today's DIYs are part of the Minis challenge that is hosted monthly by Corey from the channel Crafted by Corey. Do check out Corey's channel and this month's playlist for great ideas for tier tray and minis. I thought of another decor idea. This is a house sign, a different kind of sign in a different shape. So I took a house sign and I kept it all white. I'm taking a tissue paper with subtle green prints on it and using a little bit of decoupage glue over it, using a brush loaded with water and just spreading the glue evenly over the surface of the house. And I'm not covering the whole house, just the lower two-thirds, and just placing my tissue paper single layer over it and pressing it neatly using my brush, ironing all the creases, removing all the bubbles, neatly placing it. And because the edge is white, I can just tear it off gently and I have this piece ready. Another coat of decoupage glue right over the tissue paper to seal everything there and give it more security. Next, I'm taking a little bit of jute string and some wooden buttons, feeding my jute rope or jute string through the wooden button, giving another natural element, wood and jute here. And then I'm just going to wind it around the junction of the white portion and the printed green portion of the house, and then just tying a simple knot. Now this knot is just not sufficient, so I took another jute string but and made a bow out of it. I'm going to stick it here. And a cute, simple, elegant decor for a tier tray is ready. Sometimes I like to add little fun element, little quirky things into this. And a farmhouse ladder in a miniature size would be a perfect decor item here. A ladder making, that too in a miniature size, is the easiest craft that you can do. Cut anything, cut pieces of wood, dowel, skewer, or even cardboard. Cut it into strips, stick them together, and your ladder is ready. So easy peasy. Since we are going with the natural theme, we must have some plants. So if you have live plants, you must use them. I've put them into a beautiful planter, a vase planter, and this has got a vase in the front, little golden color at the bottom, again neutral colors, and the plant inside. Pretty. Else, you can always use something fake. A fake plant will also do if you cannot keep them in a place where life can survive. I also like to add more wood elements. I got this salt and pepper shaker, beautifully carved wood pieces. I'm going to use them in the decor. Other than this, I'm also using some wooden bowls. Now about wooden bowls, I'm going to stack one on top of the other like this, but this is too flat or boring. So to add a little bit of interest to it, I'm going to tilt it, just take a different angle. And this looks interesting. Now this is a space where you can add anything. You can add eggs for Easter, you can add globes, topiary, or even just place a fake plant here, and this becomes an interesting piece of decor. Next thing that goes very commonly with tier trays are garlands. I made this garland and I've shown this garland a number of times. These are made of white ceramic beads and some green beads, some wooden beads, and I got a jute tassel. All elements perfect for any and every season. You can use doilies for different decor. Similarly, for a modern boho farmhouse decor, a jute doily or a jute placemat or coaster can be a perfect addition. Let's see how my tier tray has come up. I think my tier tray looks beautiful. It's subtle, it's neutral, it's all natural, and a perfect boho farmhouse in modern vibes. And this kind of decor is great for spring but can be taken over to other seasons also. I'm not a great fan of changing decor very often, and therefore keeping a neutral theme decor is so much easier and pleasant for me. I find it more peaceful and tranquil this way. If you liked my today's content, please give this video a thumbs up and share this video. If you are new here, please consider subscribing along with the all notifications bell and join my YouTube family. And if you're an old friend returning back, a warm welcome. You make my channel special. Thank you so much everybody for your support and appreciation, and I'll see you very soon. Take care, be positive, be creative, and be happy.